Ever since I was a kid, this garage was my fortress, a world where every tool had a story and every oil stain carried a legend. My father showed me everything. After my family has passed away, the only thing I have are all these memories. And this place. They say the most valuable treasures are the ones we don't see. I didn't expect my father worked on so many of them. These aren't just cars, these are new chapters of my story, left unwritten by my father. Dad, I'll finish what you started.
You seriously think you can compete with that relic, kid?
Aw, yeah, it's Jason, my boyfriend. He always has something to say, often not the most motivating things out there. Every legend has its skeptics, but legends are exactly what I'm out to create here. It's a dream on hold.